All right, so welcome back, you guys. This is the video that I know you guys have been waiting for. So I just want to start out by showing you that this is the end of the 52-week challenge. I know you guys have been waiting for this video for a very long time, but as you can see, there is $1,378 in this piggy bank. And I'm also gonna try to stop saying because I have a bad habit of that, but I'll probably end up saying it a lot anyway, so whatever. Um, $1,378. I read a lot of the comments, and I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet. I know that you guys, some of you guys enjoyed watching me count the money here, and some of you guys didn't. Yeah, I know you guys can count, but what I'm gonna do is, if you'd like to see me actually count all this out, just comment below and I'll make that in a separate video. Also, I want to know what you guys think I should do with this money. What would you do with it? And also, one second, let me look at my questions so I can stay on track, because I don't want to just ramble. Which I'll probably end up rambling anyway. But the main thing, the most important thing, is that I have all the money here, right? And it's time to figure out what to do with it, right? So I figured I would take it out, and while we're looking at the stuff, think about what you'd be doing if you had this money, right? It's all ones. It's been saved up over the year, as you can see. I'd like to know pretty much, if you had $1,378, what would you do with it? Okay. What is the best way that you can multiply this money and make more of it? It seems like a lot of money, and it is, but it smells really good too. Never get tired of that smell. But I've been thinking while I've been trying to make this video, what could I actually use this for? If you have an idea and there's some way that we can make this money double, triple, quadruple, post it in the comments below. I'd like to hear it. I've got some ideas of what I would like to do with it. But I'd like to hear what you guys think. I'm gonna spread this around and then just, you guys can look all over it. So, post below what you think we should do with this money, and if I choose your idea, what I'll do is I will document the process that we finally go through. The one thing that I'm looking for most importantly is, how can we use this money to invest it, or double it, triple it, and make more of it. And we can go on the journey together. We'll document the whole process. But I want to hear what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see me count it, let me know. We can certainly do that. There's a lot of money here. It's $1,000 in ones. So, I'm just gonna throw it all up. Yeah, one more time. So anyhow, I think I'm gonna do that again. So. Cool. All right. Well, also another thing, if you guys want to start over, it is the first couple of weeks of January. We can certainly start over and do this again together if you want to follow in. I got some money up here behind the back. Yeah, we can do this again and do another 52-week challenge if you want. But until then, like this video if you like it. Comment what you'd like to see. Also, oh, I got a bag that I wanted to try to stuff this money in. I got this online. I'll post a link to where you can get one if you want to see what it's like. But I'm gonna stuff this money bag here and probably toss it up again. Toss it around. So cool. It smells really good up here. Like, cool. Some of you guys will get a good kick out of this, I'm sure. Cool. But like I said, I'll post the link below if you want to get one of these money bags. I got it online, and like, comment,